Hi there, this is Sumaya. Welcome to my channel. In this lesson, you will learn the names of the fruits. As usual, there will be a very short progress test towards the end of the lesson. So, make sure your focus is with me, okay? By the way, feel free to take notes. It might help you to get great results on the test. Let's begin. And don't forget to repeat after me, okay? Elma, karpuz, çilek, nar, muz, incir, şeftali. Alright, now let's revise the fruits all together before the test. Make sure you remember them all. Feel free to pause the video till you think you're ready for the test. Let's begin. Elma, muz, incir, karpuz, çilek, nar, şeftali. Congratulations, you came to the end of the test and the tutorial. In this lesson, you learned the names of local fruits of Turkey. I hope you've got a chance to try them. They are very delicious. Also, you familiarized yourself with very simple sentence structure through the test. So, you did great job. Before we go, I've got one more question. En sevdiğin meyve ne? Benim en sevdiğim meyve çilek. How about yours? I'm looking forward to your reply in the comments section below. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!